Ikaw na bun. I-pronounce ang yes.
Yes.
Unsa man ang Y-E-S.
Yes.
Y-E-S.
Unsa ang YES? Yes, gani.
Balik-balik ka daw. Napulo.
Yes, 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 yes.
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 Y-E-S. Yes, day. Ang E-Y-E-S.
YES? Why?
E-Y-E-S.
Ha?
I-pronounce ang E-Y-E-S.
EYES. E.
So, pag-pronounce ganun lang. Yes.
EYES. EY.
Yes, di ba? Y-E-S. E-Y-E-S.
Ice.
Audan yung